Why do you keep flipping towards me? Don't flip into me. I'm the cameraman.
Huh?
Okay, go. Do it. Whoa, what was that? You gonna try again? Huh? What is wrong? Silly. Can you make a sad face? No, sad, like, Can you make a mad face? Mad. Can you make a happy face?
Oh.
What's wrong? What is it? Oh no, she's distraught. Are you okay? Brianna.
I need to go to the hospital.
You what?
I need to go to the hospital.
You need to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
You need to go to the hospital for your cut on your toe?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
No.
You need to go now? Okay. Who are you going to see at the hospital?
I'm looking at the doctor out in the hospital.
What do you think the doctor What do you think the doctor's going to do?
Cut my leg.
He's going to cut your leg?
Huh?
He's going to cut your leg off? Is that going to make it better? Oh no. Well, we better hurry up and go to the hospital then.
Come on with me.
Okay.
Come on with me.
Okay.